Welcome back to Dr. Liu's VCE Chemistry channel. Today, we are breaking down organic compounds from the 2018 VCE Chemistry exam. As I go through this, please feel free to correct me if you find any mistakes. All feedback from teachers, parents, and students is greatly appreciated. Ethoxyethane, boiling point 36 degrees Celsius, is a common solvent used in compound purification. To remove it, the solution is heated in a water bath inside a fume cupboard. The water bath reduces the risk of ignition, and the fume cupboard prevents inhalation of ethoxyethane vapor. This procedure must not be performed on a laboratory bench due to the health risks associated with inhaling organic vapors. A chiral carbon is bonded to 4 different atoms or groups of atoms, and in these 4 compounds, only butane 2-ol contains such a carbon, the secondary carbon, which is bonded to 4 different atoms or groups of atoms. The colorless liquids octane 1-ol and propan 1-ol can be distinguished by their respective boiling points. The elevated boiling point of octane 1-ol is attributable to its larger molecular structure. The extended hydrocarbon chain enhances the overall intermolecular bonding strength, demanding a higher temperature for vaporization. While the structural formula is a representation that shows every bond and atom in a compound, to construct the structural formula for 2-methylpropan 2-ol, follow these steps. Draw the main carbon chain of 3 carbons, propane. Attach the methyl group and the hydroxyl group as branches to the second carbon atom. Complete the structure by attaching the appropriate number of hydrogen atoms to the remaining valence spots and explicitly drawing all bonds. The molecular formula only specifies the type and number of atoms in a compound, providing no information about its structure or bonding. For example, but 2-iner, an alkyne, has the molecular formula C4H6, indicating it contains 4 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. To assign an IUPAC name, follow these steps. Identify the parent chain. Find the longest continuous carbon chain that contains the principal functional groups. Determine the root name. Use the appropriate root name, e.g., hexane for a saturated 6-carbon chain, and the suffix for the principal functional group. Number the chain. Start numbering from the end that gives the lowest possible set of locants, numbers, to the functional groups and substituents branches. Assemble the name. Combine the substituent names with their position numbers, the root name, and the suffix. In the case of a 6-carbon saturated chain containing 2 bromines, the root name is hexane. Note on formatting, numbers are separated by commas, e.g., 2, 3, numbers and letters by hyphens, e.g., 2-bromo, and no spaces are used between letters, e.g., dibromohexane. We deduce the structure of compound M by reversing the reaction that forms propan 1-ol. Because propan 1-ol is the result of adding 1 molecule of water to compound M must be an alkene. By removing 1 molecule of water from propan 1-ol, we confirm that compound M is propene. To convert propanol directly to propanoic acid, a strong oxidation must be performed. This is a redox reaction that necessitates the use of powerful oxidants, such as permanganate or dichromate ions. The reaction environment must be maintained under acidic conditions for these reagents to be effective. Propanoic acid and ethanamine condense when heated in an acidic environment, a process that removes 1 molecule of water to form a new compound. This resulting amide linkage yields the product N-ethylpropanamide. Section Focus: the relationship between the structure and properties of organic compounds. Contribution: this portion of the assessment is valued at 9 marks, constituting 7.5% of the overall grade. Multiple choice questions, MCQs, 3 marks. Question 6. Safety protocols used to distill ethoxyethane. Question 19. Identifying chiral carbon atoms. Question 21. Differentiating alcohols by boiling point, octane 1-ol and propan 1-ol. Short answer questions, 6 marks. Question 1a. Tasks requiring students to draw structural formulas, write molecular formulas, and determine IUPAC names. Question 1b. Deduction of unknown compound structures within a synthesis pathway. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Liu's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Liu's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Liu's VCE Biology channel.